Hello, welcome to Ellie B Toys. It is so close to Christmas now, which means there are Christmas sets to build. This one was a cool promotional, like a free set that came when you spent over a certain amount of money in the Lego shop. It is the Christmas gift box and it is clever. So let's build it and let's check out how it all works. So it comes with two minifigures. We have got the dad. The dad is all ready for Christmas. He's all casualed up in his flannelette shirt, and there's actually two hair choices. This one's supposed to belong to the little kid, because the little kid can be either a boy or a girl, depending on what hair you choose. So I've actually chosen the girl hair to put on the little girl, and the boy hair to put on the dad, because he's looking pretty cool. So, dad and little girl, very keen to get Christmas happening. So first up, they need some gifts, and the first little mini gift is mini build, which is going to turn into a gift. Love these little clever tiny builds. Is going to be, it starts off looking like a camera, but it ends up looking like a toy train. That's so cute. Oh, she's thrilled. It's not even Christmas and she's already got a present. Okay, let's get this gift box happening. There's a whole scene happening on the inside. We've got to get all the walls up first, so let's do that. And we've got the red and the white down the sides, which are going to be the ribbon that's wrapping around the box. It's really nice. Okay. We're ready to start putting some of the scenery on the inside. So first thing you need is a fireplace for Santa Claus to come down, burn his little tootsies, and to leave some presents. So we need our fireplace, and we need our Santa stocking hung by the chimney with care. And on either side are some little Christmas tree decorations. How cute are those? So that gets installed here. So much is going to be packed into this little gift. I've just knocked over my Christmas trees, but we'll fix that up. We've got some windows on either side of the fireplace, and they get their own little draperies, their own little blue curtains. So we need 4 of these, and they hang on the windows. How lovely is that? Isn't it looking so festive already? We have a little tiny table in the corner with a place for one thing. We'll see what goes on there, and a mat in front of the fireplace. That's pretty. And we have a cup, so a cup of eggnog, and we need, of course, a broom to sweep up all of the soot that escapes from the chimney when Santa comes down it. So this side of the present is all built. Let's do the other side and see what the second half of this scene contains. Some inward-facing studs to hang the clock on the wall. I'm not sure what time it's supposed to be showing, so I'll just show that time. Don't think any of the times are actually very important. We've got our red and white ribbon going up around, and it is now attached to the other half of the present. This is how it's going to look. We just need to put our little ribbon there where the hinge is. Red and white. It's looking spectacular. All right, what goes in the other side of our mini scene hiding inside this buildable present? Well, we need some tiny buildable presents. So a couple of little presents. They go over here, and one on the back wall. And there's a little tall one here. And we've got a matching mat to the other side. And a couple of little brown round studs. So let's see what we're going to be putting on them. It looks like we are building not a totem pole, not at this time of the year. We're building a Christmas tree. Of course we are. We needed something to put all those presents under. This is so tiny. So smart. Right, needs a little star on the top, and we need some baubles. Love these translucent studs. Oh, hold on. That's not supposed to be orange. They're supposed to be yellow. So the red goes with the yellow and the orange goes with the blue. And the Christmas tree is complete. Move over, little girl. We'll put the Christmas tree in here. Oh, and on the other stud, what are we putting on the other stud? It's blue and colourful and cheerful. Maybe it's a gigantic present. I would love a gigantic present. Don't think gigantic presents have feet on them though. It's a chair. It's an armchair. It's a lovely armchair. That looks so comfy. Okay, you can't do anything in there except for jump on it because your legs don't bend. So this is definitely for your dad. So let's install this over here in the corner, underneath the clock, and Dad can sit down here. I reckon it's Christmas Eve when this scene is all happening because there are some presents here. Or maybe it is Christmas Day because one's already been opened. So maybe little girl's busy opening her presents. All right, this box needs a lid. And then it is all contained and hidden inside. The scene is hidden inside. I gotta tell you, for a free gift, this is phenomenal. I really, really love this build, and I love the creativity that has come with the design. It's so smart. Oh, check this out. It's a gold ribbon. We are building the gold ribbon on the top. And some green foliage on the sides to really pretty it up. And the decoration on the top is absolutely complete. That's gorgeous. That is absolutely gorgeous. All right, let's put the box together. Present all closed up. Let's look at the scene in there. We'll have a little bit of peek in a minute. Let's put the lid on. And nobody would know that this present is actually housing a fantastic little Christmas scene. That's just adorable. Check it out. So when it's closed, the two pieces of the mat come together and the whole scene comes together as well. With the fireplace, which the little girl's head has actually just fallen into. We'll fix it up. Put the lid back on again. And now it's all hidden again. That was a fabulous build. Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas to me. I'm so, so glad that I got this. And look at this. She's peeking into the box. Maybe that's how she gets home. Actually, that's a good point. There's no door on her little house, so she has to climb in through the lid. Oh my goodness. All right. Thank you so much for watching this build. I hope you loved it as much as I do. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you click that little notification bell. Do check out some of my other videos and I will be back with a new one very soon. You know I will. So I will see you then. Bye.